Here's how to bleed your radiators. To keep your heating system running smoothly and your home cosy, you'll need to bleed your radiators. Air can get trapped in the system, which affects how well your radiators heat up. Here's how to do it. First, turn off your heating by reducing your home's target temperature using your app or thermostat. Allow time for your radiators to cool down. For this process, all you'll need is a bleed key and a bit of kitchen towel. Look for the vent on your radiator. This is where you'll bleed your radiator from. Place the kitchen towel under the bleed valve on the radiator. Using a bleed key, turn the valve slowly counterclockwise. You'll hear a hissing noise as the air escapes. Once the water starts to come out, close the valve. Repeat this process for all your radiators. Check your system's pressure back at the filling loop gauge near your indoor unit, just to check it hasn't dropped below 1 bar. If it is below 1 bar, you'll need to follow the Check Your System's Pressure instruction video. Finally, turn your heating back on with your app or thermostat and check that all your radiators are warming up properly.